These are components of our face lock. This is front panel, this is back panel, this is mortise, and this is iron plate to fix the panel. And this is battery cover, and these are screws. First, we need to install the mortise in the door. We need to fix the mortise with the screws. Then we need to install the front panel. But first we need to pay attention to this. First we must fix this with the iron wire like this. And pay attention to that. There's an arrow signal here, and we must make sure this signal points to the end of the handle. There it is. And then first we need to put some screws onto the front panel. Then we put the panel onto the door. And first we need to put the wire through the door. Firstly. And fix the position. Then we need to put the iron plate through the wire. And also fix this plate with screws. With 2 screws. Then we put the back panel on. First we need to connect the wire of the PCB board. Then we need to put another part onto this part. And then we fix the position here. Then we put the screws here, 2 screws here. Another. And still another on the battery position here. Then put the battery on. Then close the battery with the battery cover. And here is another screw to fix the cover. And this lock is finished.